Hello friends, you are most welcome in my YouTube channel voidloopRobotech and Automation. Today I am going to start a new series of PIC microcontroller with Proteus simulation step by step. So I hope you really enjoy this series of PIC microcontroller. Let us get started. First of all, I will install MicroC IDE. So I will search here MicroC. Okay, click over here. Click over download. Save. Okay, here downloading completed. I will open folder. This is MicroC software, so I will extract and I will install this exe file. Next, accept, next, 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 install. Okay, finish. Do you want to install code grep suite? Yes, then finish. Okay, now I will install this. So next, next. Okay, I will quit. We don't need to install. I will open MicroC. Yes. Okay. Now I will create here a folder. PIC. Okay. Here click on file, new project. Next, here project name, then test, and I will select here folder. I created here PIC, so I will save in PIC folder. Okay, here we have to select microcontroller. Okay, here is PIC16F84A, clock frequency 8 megahertz. Next, finish. Okay, I will open this folder. You can see here is nothing. I will save here test.c in same folder. I will build. You can see here is lot of file created. Now I will open Proteus. click over new project. I will type project name. I will keep test, and here I will select folder. I will keep in same folder, PIC folder. Next, 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 finish. Okay, I will take here PIC microcontroller. So PIC 16F84A. I will double click. Okay. You can see here is two port A and port B. Port A has 5 pin and port B has 8 pin. Now I will click over here. I will select here hex file. So here is generated hex file from MicroC file. So I will select this, and okay, I will select here 8 megahertz. Okay, and we will go to MicroC software. Here I will type code. So first of all, we need to set as input or output to the port. So I will type here trees B, because we want to use B port equal to 0B00. Okay, here is all bits 0, so it means all bits are output. If I will type 0B, okay, so it means port B set as a input if all bits are 1. If all bits are 0, it means every bit of this port is output. Okay, so by default we have to set port B as a 0. So port B 0B. Okay, now I will build this code, and I will run in Proteus. Stop, and I will play. It is taking time. See, here by default each pins are low. You can see color is blue. If I will change here 1 1 1, okay, then I will build, and here I will again run. You can see here every bits are high because it's red. So you can replace this binary form. You can just type 0x00 in hex format, and you can also type here 0x00 for low. I will use here while loop, and I will type here 1 for infinite loop. Okay, I will type here port B. Okay, I will connect here a LED, so I will take here LED. Here is active animated red model. Okay, I will take here resistor. Connect this. I will take here ground. I will change the resistor value to 20 ohm. Okay, now we will make code for LED blinking. So first I will on LED. So port B equal to 0V 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 1. Okay, delay millisecond to 50 millisecond. Now I will turn off the LED. So port B 0V 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. Okay, okay, I will again take delay millisecond to 50 millisecond. Okay, and I will build a code, and here I will stop and run. You can see LED is blinking, but here remaining pins are providing low continue. So we want to make code only for first bit, port B. So I will edit here port B dot F0. F0 means pin 0, and here 1. Okay, and here port B dot F0, here 0, here dot F0 equal to 0. Okay, and here also type dot F0 equal to 0. I will again build. I will stop and run. Wow, you can see only 0 pins is blinking, remaining pins are empty. If you want to change delay, so 100 millisecond, here 100 millisecond, build, and I will again stop and run. See, LED is first blinking. So friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, comment and share, and don't forget press the bell icon after subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.